Last week, Joe McClung and I attended our first SIR conference in Salt Lake City, known as the Super Bowl of Interventional Radiology. Despite our very snowy morning run, passing the Capitol to a lot of melting snow during the day and a nice sunny day, spring was in full swing. And of course, we could not resist hitting the slopes while we were there.
Pretty fun. I love it.
Yeah, absolutely. The interventional radiology space is the most minimally invasive by nature. It's an inventor's market, dominated by a multitude of smaller companies and driven interventional radiologists, really intimately involved in creation and refinement of the devices in the space.
Now, the interventional radiology space has experienced significant impact from several market trends. First, there's a strong emphasis on the development of catheters, guide wires, AV access devices, and other interventional tools with improved materials and designs aimed at enhancing maneuverability and reducing patient discomfort.
Absolutely.
Headquartered in the city, Mermaid Vascular is a global frontrunner in peripheral vascular arena. Their latest breakthrough, the Surfacer Inside Out Access Catheter System, is revolutionizing access, restoration, and preservation in chronically occluded veins. It continues to expand its portfolio, introducing increasingly complex therapeutic solutions. Meanwhile, Mozart Medical is making waves with its suite of AV access devices and maintenance solutions tailored for both chronic and acute dialysis patients, with much more to come later this year.
The event featured a range of advancements in thrombectomy devices designed for restoring blood flow, embolics for minimizing hemorrhage risk and slowing cancer progression, and a company pioneering pharmacomechanical catheter-directed thrombolysis technologies. Argon Medical, a key vascular company, provides an established cleaner rotational thrombectomy system. And their new Kodiak tool, Port Introducer Kit, is awesome for introducing both therapeutic and diagnostic devices into the vasculature. With more precision and efficiency, there is significant plans for more to come from this team that we can't share here yet, but stay tuned.
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
Now, Surtex Medical showcased its Lava Liquid Embolic System, a new cancer treatment through innovative targeted radiation therapy, expanding into more therapeutic areas with proven success rates. Pretty incredible.
Absolutely.
Meanwhile, emerging pioneer Thrombolics just released in January the first enrollment of the first patient in the Rescue 2 study, utilizing their Vascular endovascular catheter for the treatment of acute pulmonary embolism. Now, this advancement has the potential to eliminate the need for ICU stays, offering immense benefits to overburdened healthcare systems and making the technology accessible to a wider range of hospitals, including those even without ICUs.
Absolutely, that's huge, absolutely huge. And it was no surprise that advanced imaging with enhanced navigation emerges the cornerstone of innovation in this space. Quantum Surgical, creating a ton of buzz around their booth, was their Epione robotic platform, treating inoperable tumors in both the abdomen and the lungs. The system provides a very unique, superior pre-planning navigation and needle accuracy that we didn't see too much of on the floor. Patients can essentially walk out on the same day with a higher probability of being cancer-free. And this is also reducing physician fatigue. What a win.
I saw how they can target those probes.
It was cool, very cool. ABK Medical just announced its I-90 microspheres device, which earned FDA breakthrough device designation just in December. This milestone allows for direct visualization of microspheres as they're deposited into the tumor, offering real-time visualization during the procedure, enhancing, again, precision, efficiency, and reducing the need to wait for additional imaging for confirmation of tumor targeting after the procedure. I can't wait to see what this team does to impact the space once it reaches more and more patients.
That's pretty incredible. I love it. Now, much newer to the US market, Vasorum has caught attention with its KELP ACD system. This next generation vascular closure device offers safe, effective, reliable closure of femoral artery access sites. They reduce post-operative anesthesia care time by 50%.
And the biggest, coming from the ICU, shortening bed rest by 2 hours. Normally these patients would have to sit on the bed for a couple hours, and now they can hop right off the table.
Yeah, saw that video. It's pretty impressive.
Yep.
promising improvement of patient outcomes and efficacy in healthcare delivery.
Absolutely.
It's pretty incredible. Meanwhile, Mermaid Medical, originating from Europe, is making its way into the U.S. market with its established portfolio of biopsy and aspiration needles. Their entry marks the beginning of a broader expansion strategy with plans to introduce additional innovative devices. I can't wait to see the impact they're having in the U.S. after success in Europe.
Totally agree. Interventional radiologists possess remarkable skills akin to the finest plumbers, carefully navigating the body's vasculature. It was truly inspiring to witness all of the innovations alongside extensive clinical trials and market research going on behind the scenes. The integration of AI is particularly noteworthy, enhancing the analysis for patient selection and enrollment in clinical trials, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes, the absolute mission of this society. There is no way I covered it all, so in case I missed anything, drop a comment below, and I look forward to SIR next year.
See you then.